Untung saja mic-nya aku salah set tadi. Hihihi. Untung aja aku mic-nya salah set tadi. Hehehe, you hear nothing. Because of that you all hear nothing. Yap. Jadi ceritanya gini. Mic aku aku kira lagi on gara-gara itu. Still remember the Valentine situation. Jadi gara-gara Valentine aku install aplikasi baru, tapi gara-gara itu setup audioku berkacau balau beberapa minggu ini. Halo ryuunana, halo John, apa kabar? Alah kocak gitu sih ngeharem mic. Iya, ngeharem mic. Sebenarnya let me tell you something, but I actually have 2 mics right now here. I'm actually ngemadu nih mic-nya. Although I haven't really used my old mic that much anymore. The quality is good and all, but they got a lot of statics. Too bad. Sudah lewat masanya lah, I say. Which is why I bought this one. Which is why I got this one instead. Although the quality is definitely worse. Bajunya cocok sekali. I know, right? Keren deh. So, baju ini aku dapat dari Viro Studio nih. Ini salah satu default dari Viro Studio. Kayak kalau nggak salah tema mereka lagi fantasy gitu kan. Jadi kasih bajunya banyak yang tema-tema RPG gitu. For some reason this one fits so well. I just like I should wear this, and so I wore it. Sekarang cari mic yang muda. Yes, muda. Warnanya pink. Memang kualitasnya nggak sebagus my old mic, but hey, it's stylish, it's pink, and it works. Sudah makan malam? Ya iyalah, udah makan malam. Udah jam berapa weh? Ini jam 10 loh. Don't tell me you haven't eaten yet. Because if you don't, just get some dinner already. Or supper, I guess. In this standard, I guess you should be already taking supper. So, oh yeah, by the way, aku VTuber baru nih, hehe, salam kenal ya. VTuber baru, ciem aku jangan VTuber baru, jangan di ospek, kasihan. VTuber baru jangan di ospek, nanti malah teror pula. Aku udah trauma di MPK di MADK tapi pong VTuber baru. Yasashiku ni shite ne. Mau dong di ospek. Let me tell you, aku gak bisa ngospek. I mean, I'm demon, but I'm not supposed to ospek people because my ospek is not meant for humans in the first place. Aku sekali ospek udah keluar. Sini bah, aku pecut kamu. Nanti sila-sila VTuber harus keluar. 1, no parasocial interaction. Number 2, everything virtual, stay in virtual. Careful, no get dogs. Try not don't reveal your identity. Don't hide your KTP from everyone else. Apa lagi ya? Pengen mikir kalau aku mau bikin ospek VTuber gimana ini ya ceritanya. Aku masih berburu-buru apa? Oh ya, apapun yang terjadi, siap-siap saja kepala dibongk. Jadi mungkin kalau ada VTuber baru kita bawa alat bongk sebanyak-banyaknya. Tapi gak apa-apa, asalkan masih bisa mengarahkan orang ke jalan yang baik, sempit dan benar. Although not really, you're a VTuber. Kalau kamu gak say so pun kita maafkan kok. Hayya, don't put wet rice on table. Hayya, who eat wet rice? whoever eat wet rice, you want to eat what? You not. If you want to eat, so you tell me I make bubur ayam, still okay. But if you ini kamu screen di pinggir jalan kah? Well, technically yes. Aku where I live in currently itu dekat pinggir jalan, and it's really fun. It's actually pretty close to the city center, so you can imagine how chaotic the roads is. Ya, lokasi aja saya. Memang lokasi base kita memang dekat pinggir jalan, and even better di dekat rel kereta api. Masih nyari makanan di Koput. Hayo. Itu aku yang muter-muter rumahnya pakai motor. Wayus. Gawat nih, diaman pada geng motoran nggak ngajak. Gimana sih? Paling tidak tunggu sampai aku dapat SIM C. Aku SIM A-nya aja masih belum dapat. Sesenggol dong. Well, ya gitu masalahnya. Aku mau SIM A, tapi aku mau SIM, sebenarnya enggak deh. Aku harusnya mau ambil SIM B, tapi lu tau lah, aku kan demon isekai. Jadi aku kalau naik truk ya gawat. Gak bisa lulus, gak dapat SIM. Kalau berkenan mungkin kapan-kapan mampir ke tempat aku juga ya. Oke, nanti aku coba cari deh. Mungkin harusnya bawah sana ada GPS. Aku mungkin bisa cari soundnotes. Mungkin although I'm not sure. I'm not really good at finding IPs though. I'll ask Sojiro about that. Buset, semua SIM mau diembat. Yalah, kalau enggak mau isekain orang gimana dong? Aku mau isekai orang harus taat peraturan juga lah. Bawa SIM. Anjir. Mau isekai orang pun pakai SIM lah. Gimana sih aku? Aduh, Mak. Isekai orang pun mau pakai SIM. Gimana nih? Zaman sekarang nih memang susah banget deh. Mau jadi demon tuh susah. Nasib. Jay, nggak usah repot-repot motorin tangan, biar aku saja. Aduh, mortal sekalian masih ada masa depan nih. Jangan dihancurin gitu saja demi sebuah demon. Nanti dulu lah. Itu kontraknya lain. Wait a second, what am I even saying? Sorry. Sim. Nanti kalau kamu, although if you want to do it, I'll gladly take up your offer. But yeah, it's just things will be a little bit. Let's just say it's gonna be really specific. So, at least it wouldn't feel like a human has done it. That way, at least you'll be able to get through it scot-free, Because, hey, at least, hey, I'm a demon. I can't really just let you all go in trouble just to dedicate yourself to something which might not even exist. Tapi aku sudah menyerahkan hatiku sepenuhnya ke kamu, wahai setan hijau. Bentar. Hati kamu di mana ya? Aku nyari dulu. Jatuh. Well, I still need you in this world, so kalau gara-gara itu something happens mah, I lost a pawn, gawat juga. No, maksudnya ke channel aku, hehe. Oh, oke, I'll keep that in mind. Nanti ku bawa geng motor sekalian kalau perlu. Anjir, harusnya isekai biasanya yang bawa truk, ini malah geng motor. Anjir. Aduh, padahal awalnya kiranya aku mau naik truk aja, tapi nih akhirnya pada geng motoran pula nih. Modus isekainya brutal. More than brutal. Padahal mungkin padahal kasihan loh mungkin. Think again. Maybe this one person, orang ini cabutnya mungkin sudah susah payah nih di kamarnya, udah kayak udah kayak aduh aku gambar lingkaran setan dikit deh, lingkaran besar kecil lilin 1 2 3 4 5 6, gambar bintang, gambar ini, gambar wajir, gambar itu, gambar sana, gambar di copy paste semua atau mungkin mereka nggak copy paste, mereka tinggal ya agak tahu ya, mungkin mereka juga kerjanya main ambil circle-nya di internet, di print gitu pun bisa sih akhir-akhir ini. Aku dengar modus sih akhirnya, dengar kabar angin sih akhir-akhir ini circle-nya udah bisa di print langsung ke summon. But anyways, mereka kayak aduh mbak, aku mau di isekai mbak, gimana ya mbak? Oh no problem, kamu tinggal sign ini aja dapat ya. Oke, bye-bye. Timbennya menghilang, kamu kayak, lah, kenapa aku masih belum diisekai ya? Terus mereka keluar dan tiba-tiba dihadirin geng motor. Yang muncul cuma kenangan pahit. Sakit. Dame yo, dame nano yo. Kasihan sih manusia zaman now, mau summon iblis malah dapatnya kenangan gitu doang. Dame. Semangat ya stream ya. Oke, thank you John. You juga semangat ya. You can do it. VTuber, let's go VTuber life. Good luck. Good luck with it though. Good luck with you. I wish you good luck in your VTuber. And once again, I welcome you into the whole VTuber community. Although I'm not sure if VTuber is a community in the first place, but yeah. I hope you're having fun here and hope your time in the VTuber community is work well. Semoga kamu good luck aja ya. Semangat. VTuber itu susah-susah pahit manisnya ada. Jadi nikmati saja. Give up and always surrender. What do you mean? Wait, give kok moralnya kasih sakit banget. Donnya di mana? Donnya. Coito. Kenapa main give up always surrender? Anyways, according to today's schedule, I was supposed to do Python today, but I don't know. Just a few hours ago, I was actually recording for a certain something. Probably I want to put it around anniversary or maybe around birthday. I don't know. If anybody's curious, by the way, my anniversary, at least my Twitch anniversary was on March 25th, while my YouTube anniversary is on December 18 or 14, I'm not really sure, but something around that time. While my birthday is July 12th. So I was just recording for something, and part of me just wanted to do a karaoke stream too, so I think here's what we'll do. I'm thinking that we are gonna do just a half of this stream will be a Python stream, and then whenever I feel like I've already maybe we are just gonna do the stream a little bit of a double time. So we're gonna stream Python maybe until around 12 a.m. or so. Then when I feel like it, maybe I'll do a few songs for karaoke. Then we are good for the day. Birthday streaming next. If you're gonna do a birthday streaming, that'll take a long time. You might have to wait all the way till July because my birthday's in July. But well, I'm basically doing a few. But I definitely have done a few. Didn't prepare anything for that. I totally didn't prepare anything. Yes, and I think I also mentioned something, but I actually did have I might actually be absent for the next few weeks, maybe, because the thing is I've actually gone. I'm about to move out I might actually move out for a certain internship, which will start probably on March 1st. And well, I say probably. It's not confirmed yet, but let's say that I might at least need time to somewhat survey the condition to figure out how I can stream, because apparently according to what I hear during the interview, my internship might actually be really hectic. As in, I will be returning to my university times when I would sometimes be only sleeping for an hour a day, or maybe 3 hours or when 4 hours of sleep would be a blessing. It's one of those kind of internship. Well, yeah, I mean, to be fair, it has something to do with my major, so I'll let you all guess what major I was in. So, well, although if you're here from a long time, you might have already known what my major is, but if you're new here, yeah, I'll let you all guess what my major is. But let's just say that it's hectic as fuck. It's gonna be hectic. So starting from next week, I think that I would directly inform everyone when there will be a stream. So on the D-Day, when I feel like streaming, I would be announcing it directly on YouTube, on Twitter, or via my Discord server. I'll be announcing from all those media, maybe YouTube, Twitter, my personal Discord server, probably the Discord server of the groups I'm in, like Monochrome Accord or Oneiro. So yeah, just keep checking up on those media while I'm currently in this 3 month of, I guess, the thing is, I kind of call it a hiatus on Twitter, but I think a semi-hiatus would fit the situation better. So, and maybe even if I don't feel like streaming, I would try to hang around on Discord a little bit more. So yeah, well, feel free to follow my Discord. I'll be go find where my Discord invite link is. I'm sure I put it in my description if anyone hasn't seen it, but just in case, I would find it from here again. Where is it? No. That's a new link. Server settings. Although I would just say that this is mainly an English server, I think I'm gonna have to remind me to make an Indonesian server, Indonesian channel once I do this. So let me see. Server, where do I find the invites? There you are. Watashi wa baka mitai. This one. I wanna find this one. Why can't I copy? Invite people. You know what? I'll just make a new link. Fuck it. Dun. There he goes. I'll just happily pin that one up. How do I pin it? I can't pin it. Oh well. I'll just try to copy paste it when I'm done. But yeah, that's my Discord server. So sometimes you might find a wild ryuunana just hanging around in the VC doing something miscellaneous, and you might actually get some spoilers of what I'm about to do. You might get some spoilers. You might see me rambling. You might see me just drawing something unnecessary, which has nothing to do with stuff. Because, well, I don't know, sometimes I just feel like hanging around VC for the sake of it. But until I somehow figure out how to live a little, how to be human for a little bit, then it will just go this way. So, in conclusion, it is just another Tuesday. Especially if you follow me long enough to know how hectic my schedule is, you can totally conclude it that way. It's just another Tuesday. or probably to make it even more sound a little bit more stereotypical, it's just another Tuesday. Anyways, I should really go to I should really go to Replit now, so I'm gonna just move us to the gaming screen here. La 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 la. Okay. So maybe to recap what I have done throughout while I was not around, I've been continuing the progress of Python. I'm already at day 52. So during this time, so about the one night last week, I ended up kind of giving in and kind of tried to take a look at the solutions, but the next few times I didn't. So we are currently starting to get involved with files and basically create a new file, trying to create a certain file where we can start to save our data for a longer time, because all this time our data can only be saved in one session and then it'll be gone. But now with this we can. It seems that this day 52, however, is about avoiding crashes, and I kind of see some try except prompts being around. Oh, hello, bald friends. Yes, it's our good old bald friend, Mr. David. He's pretty cool. So yeah, we are already across the halfway point here, and we only have 48 days worth to go here. Well, I mean, I know most of the progress are done off screen, but because if I don't do that, then this Python stream would end up going much longer than I think, and I wouldn't be able to move on into other stuff that I kind of want to do. So So today's topic seems to be about avoiding crashes. Sometimes we just can't code around a crash. It's coming anyway, and all you can do is brace for impact. Until now, let's look at an example based on yesterday's lesson. In this example, if the stuff mine file doesn't exist, then the code would throw a no such file error. So maybe to explain how it works here is that, so this this thing is actually to show like, so we're gonna open this one file, it's called stuff.mine, and there are actually three modes. In a nutshell, you have R, which is to read, W to write, A plus to append. Well, I'm pretty sure there are more comments, but that's what I was taught so far. But the thing is, you can only do read or write, read or those kind of read after your only if the file existed. But in this case, since we started a new file, or rather a new board right here, the file doesn't exist, so we can't do this, which is why we are gonna pull this off. So yeah, I'll let David take over for a little bit. Let's do this.
It's day 52, where I'm going to show you how to stop your program crashing.
Oh my god, please don't.
So here's a very simple version of what we looked at yesterday. This is just a program that's trying to load a file. You'll see as well that that file does not exist. It is not there. So when I try and run my program, the first thing that's going to happen is it'll try and open that file and it will crash. There is no argument and no code I can put in my f equals open code to stop that crash from happening. Because let's think about it in a wider context. What I could actually be doing is I could be loading a file that's on a memory stick that somebody could unplug halfway through. So the chances of an error on a file read are actually quite high. How do we get around that then? Well, we get around that with a new construct, and it has two parts. The first part is try. Everything you want to try needs to be within that construct, so it needs to be indented in it, just like an if statement or a loop. It has a...
Alright, so they say that we have to do a try code here, so we're gonna do that. So try here. And then?
There's a partner called except.
Except?
Now except is what is that going to do if any of those lines of code actually crash.
Okay.
So if any of those lines of code actually crash, I'm going to print out an error message. So with the try and except construct, it will try and do the code that's indented within it. If at any point that code crashes, instead of the entire program crashing, it will jump to the accept code and do that instead.
Okay.
So you see here that instead of my program crashing now, it's saying unable to load. So I could do some other stuff in there if I wanted to. Now, you might be thinking, well, that's amazing. I could put the entire program in a try and accept construct, and then I wouldn't have to worry about errors. If my program crashed, happy days.
Oh boy, file.io, my favorite. Udah paham. No, not yet. Justru lagi belajar, makanya kita nonton bareng. Yes, you can absolutely wrap your entire code into one try except statement. He said the thing. What thing? Happy days? Coding happy days? Coding fun. That kind of reminds me. Oh yeah. You can absolutely wrap your entire code into the one try except statement. I see. Naruhodo. I see. That kind of reminds me because I have actually seen a short before, a YouTube short. So you see, ever since I followed this Replit tutorial, I've been getting a lot of programmer-related videos, like how to become a data analyst, how to become a software engineer, kind of thing, including some Python memes or something like that. So basically, they kind of do this junior software engineer versus senior software engineer. Junior software engineer tries really hard, copy pasting here and there, trying everything. Test 1, test 2, test 3, error at test 4. Enter the senior who just put the error code as a comment. They just add a hashtag on front of it and everything became a comment. Test successful. Oh god, what kind is this place? I want to go back to my cave. So we are basically talking about how trying to run away from our responsibilities. And how to easily run away from our responsibility if our app if we keep getting persistent error and we are too lazy to fix it. Just use a try except and then. I remember that's what the short did too. Another short did that. So one basically make like, oh, you got error, just put everything to a comment. And that's another one. Oh, you got error, just use the try except statement. Oh, I heard you got error, just delete the task altogether. They did that. I don't know which one did it, but it happened like that. Yeah, I don't know. I've been getting so many of those programming shorts thing. It's just, oh my goodness, why?
There is a problem with this.
Oh.
Try and accept is a great way of working when you're trying to make the end user experience as friendly as you can.
Okay.
In other words, if my nan is using a computer program and it crashes, it's far friendlier for you to write a nice message saying, oh, I'm really sorry, David's nan, but I'm going to have to stop the program because something weird's gone on. Just click start again and I'm sure everything will be fine.
And the old debugging way, printing out every single variable to see at which step it breaks. How did you know? Oh my god, wait, so it's actually a thing, or rather, it's actually a thing? Because I'll just say this. These last few days, I've been doing some harder programs, and guess what I did? I just don't know if because you see, I really don't know how my code hierarchy even works, because I was dealing with a lot of 2D lists, basically nested lists and a lot of nested dictionaries. Wait, I don't think that's the right word for it. The Replit kind of call it 2D lists and 2D dictionaries, so something like that. And they kind of just, so I was not sure if I even do it right, especially since I'm not really fluent in my for statements yet. So every time I finish a for statement, a while through a especially the for statement, I just say for this, whatever, print. Before I even, and then after I finish all of them, that's when I put the def. Maaf ya cantik, aku pamit dulu, mau benerin jam tidur. Efek stamping tidur berapa hari udah mulai kerasa. See you Nana senpai. See you Din. Hope you somehow fix your sleep schedule, because I also want to do that but I can't do it either. Anyways, aduh, cepat tidur sana. Masa kau berapa hari gak tidur? Wait, what the hell? I'm totally sure it's not the right way to do things, but we all end up there. So I guess is it just one of our intuition to just want to print everything whenever we feel we want to test something? Anyway, see ya. I hope you have a good sleep. Intuition, sure. I don't know, intuition, thought pattern, or is it just because it's just so weird that I thought that I'm one of the few who actually just thought, yep, I must totally print it to see that it's working. If it's wrong, then it's not gonna work. Is what I yeah, especially because I can feel it, especially because I keep doubting on the things I code, especially my for statements, because I keep messing up on for statements. I keep messing up on them. I keep mix up the for statements that I should use for a list and the for statements that I should use for a dictionary. It's just that chaotic. Anywho.
Otherwise, give your grandson a call. It's only the middle of the night, don't worry about it. That message will be much friendlier to somebody using a computer that's non-technical than the sort of crash that we tend to get. The problem is, for us as software developers, and yes, you can call yourself that after 50-something lessons, but for us as software developers, if my program crashes and I get a nice friendly error message, well, that doesn't really help me fix it. Doesn't tell me what line it is on, doesn't tell me what the kind of error is, and there's a bunch of problems with that. So we can extend accept a little bit.
Oh. Exceptionless error. Alright, what does this do? Ah, I got caps lock. Exception as error. File print not found. Print error. Let's see. Error, file not found, F is not defined. Ah, yeah, of course. How about this? There you go. That's more like it.
So we can extend it by telling exception what kind of exceptions or errors to look for. In this case, capital E exception means every kind. If you're specifically looking for a type of error, I've put a list on the screen there that you can pick up. Replace that word exception with. But the one I've used will capture everything for you. I've then done as ERR, or error for error.
Okay.
And what I'm doing is capturing the error and giving it a variable name. That then allows me on line 9 to print out that error and show a bit more detail. We can even get rid of that entirely and print what we've been seeing, which is called a traceback. You'll see here I've just got accept again, and that'll capture every exception, but I'm printing out the traceback, which is the exact dump of the error message that I get as a programmer. It's quite
So traceback is different. I see.
handy to have during development. One thing that I do while I'm developing is I create a constant at the top called debug mode. And
Debug mode. Okay. What does this do now? I'm pretty sure this does nothing. It's just a variable, but still.
Any of my tracebacks, I just put the if statement. Now, at the moment it's turned off, so I won't see those tracebacks, but if I need to see my error messages, I can turn them on, and very quickly my program will start dumping code that I need to see. This means that I can error correct the program very, very quickly, and when I'm about to launch it, I can turn that back off, and my Nana will be very happy. Go and try these programs, see if you can get your error message being avoided. It works with any kind of crash, including things like casting, where if we tell the computer that we want an int and the user types in some text, it would normally crash. We can actually use try and accept to avoid that problem. Common problems with this code.
Okay.
First of all is this. Looks pretty good, but when I click run,
But there's no
a
accept.
major crash, and it's not really very helpful. It's telling us the problem is with the for loop on line 9, and that's not really where the problem is. The problem is this: try is part of a pair. Try and accept. Without accept, it's not finished. So the reason it's saying invalid syntax is because the next thing it's expecting, unindented after a try, is accept. There we go, I fixed it. As usual, I've broken a bunch of code. See if you can go and fix that for me.
Okay. So this is the code they kind of give. So what they are doing here, we're gonna do this first. Definitely put this, and then we're gonna do this, I guess. Exception as error. Print error. And then print error. And then we're gonna do some what here, opened there. For row in my stuff, print row. Then this is where you should put here instead, but yeah. Then here. There you go. I wanted to say hi.
Your challenge today is to set up a
Anywho, I can't really stay. I wanted to say hi, but I'm about to get bullied into Factorio Friday. So, ciao! Ciao! Have fun with your Factorio Friday then. Wait, I don't think that... Wait, you're getting bullied there, so I don't think it's gonna be that fun, but... Well, fun Factorio Friday to-dos! Thank you for being here there, Jasper. Or for Lion Valium, whatever you want to call me to call that, but yeah. Hee bye-bye, ciao! Let's see what we're gonna have for today.
pizza shop. Yes, I don't need you to go and buy ingredients. I don't want you getting your dough throwing on, and I certainly don't want you messing up your computer keyboard with a bunch of flour. What I actually want you to do is write a program that asks the user to type in a quantity of pizzas and a size. I would then like you to multiply those two together, as on the screen at the moment, and work out the cost for the pizza. I'd like you to store that in a 2D list with the user's name, so that we can get to their pizza order.
Okay.
But here's the clever bit. I'd like you to use try and accept for two reasons. First of all, I'd like you to include autosave and autoload, and I'd like you to make sure that try and accept is used with autoload so that it doesn't crash if it can't find an existing file. The second place I'd like you to use try and accept is with that quantity of pizzas. And you're going to need to use a cast to make sure that you're taking an integer there. And yes, an integer, because nobody wants to order 0.3 of a pizza. I'd like you to use try and accept to watch out to see if a user's typed in anything other than an integer there. And if they have, prompt them to try again. That takes a little bit of thinking about, but will save you a massive amount of time when you do this sort of thing for real. As ever, please publish it to the community and let us see it, and share it with us using the hashtag Replit100daysofcode on social media. Tomorrow is a project. We're going to be building a working inventory system for a game that has saving, loading, and error correction. Yes, you've pretty much built the inventory system for any game you've ever played, unless you played it on the NES without battery backup.
Okay. I'm not sure how we're gonna pull it off, but let's see. So, there's no place like Rome or Napoli, Milan, possibly even New York if you must. Just not the dodgy 2 a.m. rum bread with suspicious topping merchants that I definitely did not visit on my way home from a night out. That's right, you're opening a pizza shop. Try not to get anchovy on your keyboard. Man, that still never washes out. Regardless, our program today must prompt the user to input the quantity and size of pizzas. So I think I see that they kind of want us to either add or few, right? So we'll start from that main menu first. So we'll have print, which is 1. Let's say let's call it Nana son pizza. Nana son pizza. But again, I still say I still haven't tried pineapples on pizza. So yes, the title is for the sake of the title, only Nana son pizza, because well, pineapple pizza is still controversial. It's nice. Print. So maybe I'm gonna do this here as a okay, main menu. So I think we're gonna have to do do we wanna do some sort of what here? Wanna do some sort of a loop here so that we can kind of get in, get out. Okay, you know what? Let's do it. I'm gonna make this what here? Main menu here. Let's see. We're gonna do add pizza. A. Print view pizza menu. M. V. View pizza would be V. So this is where we look at the order and we're gonna do the little pizza delivery thing. So anyway, I feel like I need to put something for the mood, so we're gonna do this just for a little bit. Sure. But when I'm gonna turn off the audio for a little bit. Don't worry, it's much more predictable than you think. Pizza. We're gonna play this for a whole hour. Because why not? There you go. Now this is more like it. Now to cook with this in mind, let's go. So right here we're gonna put some sort of a menu input right here, so where we're gonna do some ask if we can put in A or V. So now I'm not sure as why do we need try except here. Oh, it's time for the little bit of for some aesthetic moments. Okay, I think this is where we put the auto load. F equals try F equals open pizza dot menu comma R, and then list equals actually no, menu equals F shoot, how did you do it again? F dot read kind of thing. Oh my god, I forgot. Oh, the eval is eval. So this eval thing kind of be like, yeah, hey, see this thing, or I kind of want you to look at this as something, as how it is. It might be legible as something which is not a text, so please look at it again. That's what I did. So F close, and then except exception as print error and print error, and then actually, rather than this, I think I should put the auto load here. If menu equals a no, if menu dot upper equals a, this is where we'll put some stuff. Add menu stuff. elif menu dot elif menu print something. Elif menu dot upper ss view menu stuff. Actually, let's do this. Dev view menu. Try this. Then dev add menu f equals open pizza menu. Let's see if I can put it here instead. Actually, no. This is where we put it. No, we do in fact have to put it right here, if anything. And if this is working, okay, so I think we have to add this as well. There you go. And then we're gonna have to add Is this how you do this? Okay, this try is for the number, right? So, except okay, maybe I'll do this. And then size equals input name equals input name please print thanks name your pizzas will be on your way. Pizza frenzy. So order equals no size. Actually no. Name size no. Oh, no. Name no size. And then Menu equals menu dot append order f dot write order order n. Okay, and then finally f dot close. Is this how you do it? So let's say A, how many pizzas? 3. What size? L. My name is ryuunana. File main 19 menu append order. String has no attribute append. Huh. Oh, so I messed up. I should have written this instead. Let's see the file here. Pizza menu. Okay, pizza menu should be, oh shoot. Put this below. Put this on the side because I could really use the. Oh yeah. String has no attribute of append. What do you mean? Let's see. Attribute error. String also has no attribute append. Let me search that up. String has no attribute append. String has no attribute because when treated as a so the error message to the previous expected type. This is an example of how the error occurs. The string object has no attribute of my attribute. Print my string, my attribute. Which as an attribute doesn't exist of string objects that got the error. If you print, it'll be a string. So the error, try the way exactly where you're setting the value to a string in the code and correct the state assignment. Calling the decode method on the string causes the error. Oh, we had to do this. So price equals shit. So if size SML equals S dot lower price PPU equals, let's say, how much is Pizza Hut here? Pizza, oh, let's do Domino's pizza price list. let's just do the standard. Since it's nanas on pizza, we're gonna have to find a pineapple pizza situation. So let's see, pizza. Pineapple pizza. What's the pineapple pizza here? Pineapple pizza. Chicken lovers, cheese mania, meets favorite pizza. Super value pizza. Pizza mania. Oh, come on. They have no... Dude, they actually don't have pineapple on pizza. What is... Mamma mia. I mean, I don't mind. I haven't really tried pineapple on pizza myself, so I can't really testify for how good that is. But we are nanas on pizza. We need to put pineapples on our pizza because that's scandalous. Guess we are going to Pizza Hut then. I'm pretty sure Pizza Hut has a pineapple on pizza. We're just gonna search for the Hawaiian pizza and see what kind of prices they put. Lovers. There you go. Hawaiian chicken. Yeah, Hawaiian chicken will do. Oh well. We'll just do the original one here. So 96,000, 140,000. I guess if I had to convert it to dollars, that would be 96,000 IDR to USD. $6, 6.5 and 140. That would be $6 half and $9 half. Let's do that. So maybe we're gonna do regular jumbo. Is it? Said that's what they did. PPU equals 6. Elif size dot lower equals J. PPU equals 10. And then price equals size PPU times no. That will be dollar price. Name no size okay, actually I might have to make some of them into a string, so okay, and then we put PPU and price. How about that? Three. R. Name please, ryuunana. String object has no attribute. Oh. So do we have to do it like this? ryuunana. Still same error though. 47 and 8 maneuver. So there. And continue. When we are trying to do this, there's a string object has no attribute to a pen. I kinda figure out how we're gonna pull this on. Okay, str object has no attribute a pen. Let's just do this first. When developers use a pen instead of the concatenation. The append method adds items to add on the list. It cannot be used to add items to a string. Well, is this a menu? The string has no attributes, so what do you mean? Alright. Yeah, but I'm trying to add to a list. That's the thing. I'm adding it to a list. I'm not adding it to a string. I'm adding it to a list. What the hell? No, the menu here is a list. It's not a. It's not a. It's not a string right now. It's a list. Okay. What if I try doing this? Nana. Still the same. So it's this. So I think I'll try to check my previous project for this. So weird. I'm pretty sure I already marked my menu as a list, so there's no way it's I think think that was in day 51 or day 50. I'm just gonna check that for a bit. Yeah, I did exactly this. This is exactly what I did. The menu's right here. Okay, what if we just try to copy this one more time? Now that we actually have some stuff right here, so we can actually do this. Right? Oh, yeah, that happened. Right. Okay. A tree. R. Nana. This, I don't get it. My list 1 is an element of my list and its type is string. My list 1 is a string you cannot append to it. My list is a list you should have been appending to it. What do you mean? So instead of doing my list 1 append s, they kind of mess up. And then right here they did my list 1 so what it is this my list 2 append. My list 1 is an element of my string as well, but then since my list 2 is a if you want to append a value to my list, use my list.append as moment. How do you even? I'm appending this thing though. Menu is basically the whole thing. So okay. Let's just try to delete this whole thing in the first place. Okay, tree, R, Nana can only concatenate lists, not str to lists. Oh, well then, I can just do this. Let's try again. A, tree, R, Nana. Right argument must be string, not list. 3R order like this. A 3R nana. They didn't write that in. No, that's more like it. Okay, we got this. So now menu.append order. And now we're gonna do this right string menu. A3R nana. What the hell? What's wrong from this? Oh, could it be this? Menum. Let me just try to use a different name this time. Menum. A menum. This one's menum. This one's menum. A3R nana. There! Oh, it's because I used the menu as something else. Ah! I see. We are doing this now, are we? Okay. Got it. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Feet. A. Okay, all we need is just some good little pretty printing, so then okay. Let's do this one more time. Oh. This is the mode. We can switch it to this. 3 R Nana A4 J pretend. Ah shit. Okay, I think I know this. We're gonna not do here, we're gonna put it right here. Then let's keep doing it. And then maybe we just do another one. 6R Nina Fee. La 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 la. La 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 la. Pasta, put it in the box, deliver it to my house and put it in my cock. Na 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 na. Oh, let's go. Yep, that works. I'm gonna here print okay. Let's just do this. Huh. La 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 la. Why did it end up like this though? Why are they all like this? Now I don't understand is why the last order somewhat put it itself like this. So the program basically works now at this point. It's just somehow the last order didn't make it inside. And it doesn't show until here. So is it something wrong here? Why is it showing here of all places? So what are they gonna do with this? Get each index from one row. Oh, one row at a time. How do you do this again? I'm pretty sure there was a way to do this. Somewhere around day 50, I guess? Let's see. IDA equals F dot readline dot strip. Yes. Yes. Let's do this then maybe. So while true, this print menu, and then if menu is just a normal this, we break. Then here is where we close. Equals. This is where we break. And then let's try this. Let's try this way. We're gonna try to do a V here. Unexpected. What? Unexpected EOR while parsing. It's right here though. Menu equals menu dot split. menu. List has no attribute. Split. Oh. Okay. So maybe we're gonna do this. For order in no. That's a problem. We kinda just why don't we just put order? Okay. First thing first, I'm gonna delete everything. Then we run again. 3R Nana. Let's do another one, some random scenario where say Ryuta's ordering a 2 jumbo things. Or maybe we're gonna get something like let's see, let's say bananas ordering 4 here, and then we go V. Expected EOF for parsing. Print menu. Let's see. Interpreter has reached the end of all. It failed to declare statement for loop. What do you mean? Take a look at this example. Student equals this. We added a dictionary, but we forgot to add. So. Yes. I kind of put in the while true so that it can. Oh, is this the thing? No, there's still an error. There's still EOF here. Let's see. If menu so takes a kind of break, we will close. Then after we close, oh, probably here's where they say break again. Okay, actually no, we don't do break here. Or we can just do this. Let's try putting this right here, and then here, and then here, here, and then like this. What if we do this order? Let's go! How about this? Okay, that's also worse. For items in menu, you're gonna print every single item as it is. So you're gonna print like this. For items in menu, whatever, print this, and then we're gonna print like this, else continue. How about this? Okay, that still doesn't help anything. La 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 la. Okay, what if we try to print menu? Okay, so that's what happens. Do we want to do another walkthrough? So once this is break, we're gonna go back here and then we say break. How about this? We still got the error, so it's not really about the loop then. Okay, so I do have to delete this. F open, rear, while true, menu, print, if close, break, else, continue, and then right here, we don't need any more break. Now the thing is, if you cannot do it this way, Unexpected EOF, which means something happened too close. So always declare. Yeah, but I don't think that kind of helped me. So you need to take care of the parameters and check all the functions and their copy statements. Before executing the program, please check if all the pub function and correct the indentation. If we do this, so the error comes up once we are doing this, where we are kind of closing the stuff here. Oh yeah. How do we do this? Close. Can I just not do this? Okay, maybe not. You kind of got this one right, but you have to break this and then let's see. Where did I decided to close this? Oh my god, I never closed this thing. Oops. So maybe we're gonna just take this and then we're gonna copy this somewhere. Let's see. It's not parsing. So I think the else continue is necessary. V. Okay, let's see. We'll just write it. Do this? Or we just do this without the F on. That's more like it. Yep, I guess you kind of finish it. The problem is just how to really present it as a list at the moment. So that kind of makes I still haven't figured out how to really pull that EOF parsing error, but I guess you'll kind of figure it out in the end of time. So until then, plus the timer's already out, so I actually set that little BGM as a bit of a timer, so let's see, what the fuck did I mess up right there? Oh, come on, you say you do it by line. Hey. Come on. Oh, but I guess I did mess up here. So this one. This one. We didn't have to do this. Let's try this way. Oh yeah, we don't need this anymore. Okay. Feet. You also need to write this. My pizza, the menu. Ever. After read, strip, oh well. I guess I think I can somewhat call it for the day, everyone. So, well, in the end, I just don't feel like doing karaoke again today. So, you know what? Maybe I'm gonna move the karaoke to another day. Probably one that is outside my usual streaming schedule, because, again, the whole hiatus thing will be effective around next week. So, while I might actually pull one impromptu one somewhere around Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on when I feel like it. So that will be a further announcement later. But until then, I think I'm gonna freaking somewhat end the stream for today. So thank you everybody for coming. Tomorrow we'll be having another Crisis Core stream. I already kind of somewhat played a little bit in the background, but we are already going to try to get our hands on NGO penance. So we will fight that camera and splice it into pieces on Twitch. Until then, see you, Nana. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.